Let's learn car ABC. Today's car is an excavator. There are excavators. Can you say it with me? Excavator. Excavator. Where are we? This is a construction site. Who are they? They are workers. They are working! What is this? Excavator. It's an excavator. Good job.
Can I buy an excavator?
See you next time on Car ABC.